Seems these days, everyone strives for that work-life balance. Well, we're here to help you out with that. How? By inspiring you and your best friend to stay active and get outdoors. And to make sure that when you've got the time to have a little fun, that you're not dealing with a broken clasp or something that's taped together. We know that everyone engages differently, so we've put together a line of carefully designed, well-built, interactive toys, accessories, and travel gear that will stand the test of time and handle any environment. Because who can deny the benefits coming from two best friends sharing some good times together? N-Gage. Share the fetch.